Turbojet engine. In this video, we are going to see about turbojet engine. A jet engine is a reaction engine discharging a fast-moving jet that generates thrust by jet propulsion in accordance with Newton's laws of motion. The turbojet is an air-breathing jet engine usually used in aircrafts. It consists of a diffuser. The main function of diffuser is to convert the kinetic energy of the entering air into a static pressure rise. Then, the air enters the compressor, which further compresses the air and delivers it to the combustion chamber. Then, fuel nozzle feed fuel continuously and continuous combustion takes place at constant pressure. The high pressure and high temperature gases then enters the turbine. The turbine is directly connected to the compressor and all the power developed by the turbine is absorbed by the compressor and the auxiliaries. The main function of the turbine is to provide power to drive the compressor. After the gas leaves the turbine, they expand further in the exhaust nozzle and are ejected into the atmosphere with a velocity greater than the flight velocity, thereby producing thrust for propulsion.